Want to avoid data overages on Total Wireless? There are three primary methods to easily monitor your data usage: the Total Wireless app, USSD codes, and automated alerts. Checking your data usage is important because Total Wireless caps data at varying levels, and exceeding those limits can result in throttling or extra charges. These methods rely on Total Wireless's systems, which track data usage at the SIM card level. The Total Wireless app is available for free on iOS and Android, providing a real-time dashboard with data usage, a breakdown by app, and usage history. Simply log in with your account to enable tracking permissions and set custom alerts. Alternatively, use USSD codes by dialing 3282#, on any phone to receive a text message with your current usage, remaining data, and plan details. This works without internet and is ideal for basic phones. Finally, enable automated alerts via SMS, email, or in-app notifications to be notified when you hit specific milestones, e.g., 50%, 90%, or overage. Some plans even offer AI-enhanced alerts that predict potential overages.